Hello, Teddies. What's up? I see that we're near an active volcano.
Whoa!
Hold on, calm. But it's a tree. Right. Look, let me explain. So, Teddy trees, this is the way how Teddies work. You know how Teddies work, right? Or you got so used to being like acting like humans because of Jacob and Henry?
Yeah. I know how Teddies are made. So,
no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about like Teddy volcanoes. They're not like rocks. To teach you guys something, Teddy volcanoes are not.
let me.
Hold on! Stop! I'm sorry. I had no choice. Teddies are very destructive, but they're also self-confident with everything.
Let me come.
They're self-confident. So let me do this. Since I'm sorry about that. I have this. That better not be contagious. Oh, don't worry, it's not.
What do you think?
Look, so Teddy volcanoes are like, they're trees. They're not like big mountain rocks. So that tree over there is basically a Teddy volcano. The leaves are like the lava. They're like sort of frozen. That's how like Teddies work. In the dirt is the lava, like literally. The pot is like basically the mountain sort of thing. And
So, let me come Spider Dude down.
what is going on? I don't get
Come
any
get
of this
down.
nonsense.
Oh my God.
I don't get any of it. Where's Perry?
Hey, watch this, whoever you are. My name's Max. Hey, Max. Hey, Max.
What? Stop!
Hey,
Ow.
watch this.
It's burning!
Oh, holy! Holy! Oh, why did you do that, Spider Dude? That's what you get. No, this is what you get.
I can't even find Ain Hocker. Like literally everywhere I look, Ain Hocker isn't there! What? I'm surprised I'm not locked. Ain Hocker isn't there! Look.
Oh.
Spider Dude, really? We're near an active volcano.
Come on!
Oi! Stop throwing people into the volcano, Spider Dude.
I am not doing
I
that.
don't care! Look, listen.
Yes, you
Listen!
do, Pearly. No, now shut up, Pearly.
Do I care? No. Look, this is an active volcano. You know if you go near there, you will die. So your life is sacred at the moment. You know what? Why not throw this guy in? Ow, I'm Max. I'm part of the crew. Hey, Hocker, are you in there? Bro, you didn't have to do him like that dirty. Look, I'm big enough to survive the volcano. Let me jump in! Stop!
Oi, let me
No! Stop! That must be steaming. Listen, I don't care, guys. I can do it.
Just touch the
Look! I'm hot as a volcano at the moment. Like, my surface is full of volcanoes. Like, are we just going to talk about that for a sec?
Oi,
That literally, if I went into a
Oi,
volcano, I would live on my own surface, sort of. It would feel like it anyways. I don't have a purple sign.
It's only like 5:45. Shut your
Oh yeah, it is. But what's that got to do with an active volcano? I'm tired.
No, you're not.
Oh, let me handle it. I'm big, I'm strong, I'm just like you. You're a world of slime. You're a world of lava. See what I did there? Ha ha, funny. Now shut it!
No!
Bro, did you really have to? You stupid.
Ow, ow, ow.
I'm the king! Ow, ow!
I am actually the king, Pearly.
Look!
Stop.
Look, if I do this. Stop! You didn't really take that seriously, did you?
I'm
Variably literary.
Guess what? I'm like sick. I'm just like. I am 71 degrees Fahrenheit. There is no way I can. Oh!
That hurts. You're not as hot as Pearly. Look, I'm agreeing with Pearly with all these circumstances. Yeah, thank you, Jean.
Shut up!
Right, all of you are psychos and you are dummies.
No, I am not.
As a king like you, I would give you a refund if I was a king. Oh my gosh! Look, the narrator has done him dirty. Fine, he didn't do me dirty. He just helped by setting me on fire. But I think fire was a bit too far. His surgery, I hate. I give it 1 out of 10. No, 1 out of 5.
I am.
The reason why it isn't a 0 and it's a 1 is because it actually helps my eye. It took a lot of pain out.
There is no way
but
I could.
You,
Ow, 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 ow.
you,
Ow. Oh.
you stupid. I'm not talking to you guys no more. I'm a psycho. I mean, I'm not. Look, guys. I'm here because I want to see what this mess is. Look, I've had to have a hair transplant to grow my hair back. Look, you see that? Do you mind? I've got a hair transplant. Stop pooping in my face. Is that your tail or your butthole? Look, don't go near active volcanoes unless they're, we're not even talking about volcanoes. That's not really what everyone's talking about. But lesson learned that we don't go near volcanoes.
Whoa!
I want to go near a volcano. I think I was a bit of a baby.
Yeah, but I'm
You
galaxy.
know what? Now that I want all you teddies gone, I think you should do it.
I am a galaxy.
Yeah! Let's do